For these decals, we made collages out of clip art and then made copies of them on our printer. We then made prints of these at the copy store, and you'll want to make sure that it's a toner-based copy machine. We used acrylic matte medium over these copies and built up a skin. You'll want to do between 3 and 6 coats and let it dry between layers. We also used glitter for some of the layers and paint. These iridescents came out really beautiful with paint behind them. You could see the sparkle through the medium, and it also gave a lot of strength to the skin of the decal. After all your coats are done and dry, take some warm water and saturate the back of the print. Once that's totally wet, you'll start to slowly rub the paper off, being careful not to tear the acrylic medium. It'll take several passes to get all the paper off. One tip is to let it dry so you can see where the paper is, and then get it wet again and keep rubbing it off until you see pretty clear dark lines, and you can see the glitter a little bit better. Using these cotton bags and a spray dye kit and a water bottle, we got these bags nice and wet and then came in with the spray dye and gave it a random splotchy dye job. Let these dry completely overnight and then heat set them with either an iron, or we did it for 15 minutes in the dryer on high heat. To adhere the decals, we used gloss medium. We just gave it a good thick coat and then pressed firmly, and then gave another coat on top to kind of give the glitter a little bit more of a shine and really seal it in.